I'm gonna go open a box of Pitviper goods. It's Christmas Day. Pitviper. I'll put a link down below. You guys can use a code to get 15% off Pitvipers for you too.
It's got your name on it. It's a Kershaw, you could use it.
It's official. We are a sponsored Pitviper athletes. Pretty honored by that. Not really an athlete, but you know, lifestyle athlete. That could be a sport. Maybe we could make it to the Olympics.
Yeah.
What'd you guys compete in? Just doing cool shit?
Being rad.
Oh! Wow!
Well, goddamn.
Dude, these gloves, what? Come on with some upsells up in here. We're small-handed people. These are dope.
Yeah, those are sick.
They say turbo on them. You see that? That makes you so much faster.
Yo, those are sick.
This is that new shit, dude. I got on the request for these. These are fucking dope, dude.
Yeah.
Yes.
Those are dope.
Look at that shit. That color scheme is rad. Lights. These are the polarized. These are the ones that turn dark at night or in the daytime, and they go clear at night, so you can run clears and still be looking super fly, and then you can go outside and be like, whoop, dark and shit. Nobody can see what's going on.
Don't ever need to take them off.
That's sick. Brown pair. I'm gonna try on every one of these. And oh, them are sparkly. Look at that.
Ooh, yeah, them are.
Pitvipers in there. Ooh, more Pitvipers in here. "2X Fang" stickers. Oh, look at this shit. Put them on the front door.
Oh, the front door, dude.
Oh, look at Christmas Vacation. This is so dope, dude. It's a Christmas Vacation. Let's go with the sunglasses. We have some Pitvipers. We will be wearing lots of Pitvipers. More safety glasses, those all-nighters.
Yep.
Dude, what are these? Sunglasses from the future. Amen. Let me get up in this bitch. Come on. Open. They come with a nice case. Oh my god. Those are sick.
Those are dope.
Fuck yeah, I opened them. I'm keeping them.
Those are dope.
Oh my god. We could have a whole day of opening Pitvipers and seeing what's up inside of these. Dude, the shirts. Super fucking pumped on the shirts. I love the style.
Yo, is this a fucking jersey?
What?
Yo, what?
Get the fuck out of here. I'm putting it on.
Yo, I think this is a fucking... Look at this.
What?
Look at this motherfucker, dude. Oh my god, dude. You better fuck around and find out right now, dude.
Come on.
That's fucking dope.
Holy shit.
Oh, there's only one. You could have this one, dude. But
Oh, it ain't gonna fit me by the looks of it.
it's a large.
Damn, that shit is dope, dude. God damn.
Does your shirt say Beaver Fever?
You bet it does.
Bet it does. You're gonna get this one too. I don't think it's gonna fit me. Fucking pipes, brother.
Yo.
That's probably the dopest coat I've ever seen. '69 Pitviper.
This thing fucks.
Wow. Man, I'm pretty jealous of that.
Got a lanyard. All access pit pass.
Pitviper. I can't fucking speak English today. Pitviper. See, fucking did it perfect that time.
There you go.
There we go. Look at this shit. Yes, like I said, I'm gonna put a link down below. You guys can go get 15% off on all this stuff. I think you get free shipping too. Don't mark my words on that or anything, but that could happen. What is this?
A little lanyard. Came with a pit pass. Pitviper pit pass.
One time we went to a Snoop Dogg concert, a whole bunch of us, and we had lanyards with, I have them hanging in the showroom, and it just said VIP printed on a piece of paper. We just walked past the line, they let us all in, took us to the VIP up front, we rolled in with that shit.
It was for this show that we were doing out in New Mexico, and there was like,
Yeah.
it was like a motorcycle show, and then there just so happened to be a Snoop Dogg concert going on at the same time.
Yeah, all the old white people in suits down the VIP didn't like us in there, so
Not a bit.
we did not last long at all. But it was hilarious. We still gotta stay in the fucking show though.
And we walked past probably like a 2-mile long line of people trying to get into the motherfucker.
Is that another one? Is that a bigger one?
This is a large too.
We both have one to wear. If I never wash this, I'll be okay.
Amen.
Oh, come on, long sleeve. Dude, look at this shit.
That's pimp.
On the back, it's got some sparkly things down the side. Oh yeah. That fucking coat is hard.
Yo, we need every mini ride. We're popping out in full fucking Pitviper shit
Oh yeah.
with our fucking beers, slings, and shit.
Dude. Real excited. Thank you, Pitviper. Jared
Thank
over
you,
at
Jared.
Pitviper.
Thank you,
Dude.
Pitviper. This is fucking awesome. Thank you, Kruesi.
That's true. Let me see what that is.
Thank you, Kruesi, for being the fucking man.
Yeah, they're all long sleeves? Hell yes.
These are, yeah.
That shit is sick. The other ones are long sleeves too. It's dope. Dude, this is a beautiful day.
This is a gorgeous day.
Unreal day. I got so many presents today. I got a check in the mail today out of nowhere. Oh, it's amazing. And it was just how much my wedding just cost too, randomly. Universe works mysterious ways. Here you go. I got one of these already.
The universe works for Kruesi in mysterious ways.
Yeah, it's amazing. You know who would f***ing rock this?
Peter Puffer back there.
Cody.
Cody Corley.
Oh, cowboy hat and a buckle and all?
Yo!
Dude, 100% pumped. I'm gonna wear it until I have to wash it, and then or maybe I should lose some weight.
There you go.
Oh, is this a fucking fat joke here? Is that what this is? Fucking fat jokes, huh? I don't wear a 3X.
You're a 3X or a fucking medium?
I don't wear 3X. This is horseshit. Let's go. Open another box. Oh, dude, f around. I want to try these new ones.
Whoa, look at this fucking case.
What do you got in
I
there?
have no idea. I'm just opening shit. Ooh. Some OD green.
Look at those bad boys.
This case is dope.
Oh! Oh, man. Wow, I'm keeping these. Look at that. F those are hard, dude.
Those are hard as nails.
I got that open face BMX helmet for the monkey and
Dude.
this on the night rides. Oh my god, dude, that's it.
Where's my knife?
Damn, what a good day. What a fucking good day. Let me take these Pitvipers off and try in some more clears. God, those are so fucking hard, dude. I need to sort through my Pitviper life and get it organized. I could have different glasses for different parts of the day.
These cases are dope, dude.
Damn. God, those are sick, dude.
The straight red.
Those should be called the Macho Mans right there.
The Macho Mans.
That's some Randy Savage looking shit for sure. Dude. What the f? Check out the side buffers.
Yo.
Yo.
A little extreme.
I don't think I'm gonna run those. Fuck out of here. And they're adjustable. Look at that shit. No side buffer, but if I do need to do some side buffering, it's a good looking pair of sunglasses. Yo.
That's a good looking pair of sunglasses right there.
Cartel special or what?
Yeah.
Huh?
You need your
mustache.
Yeah, the mustache and then the hat you got in San Carlos.
I gave it I took it to Goodwill. It shrunk. I didn't know about hat stretchers at the time. They really exist. Dude, I want to see what these look like. I'm gonna go take a look. I feel like somebody from the Running Man, maybe.
From the Running Man
Yeah, they're like one big black dude in the Running Man
movie?
Yeah, no, you wouldn't know it.
Nope.
Dude, these are nice.
That fucking shirt, dude, is just too much. That shirt. Beaver fucking fever, brother.
Oregon State Beavers.
Yeah.
That's where I lived. Oregon State Beavers, Beaver Fever.
I'm gonna tell you what.
I wore this in the gym when I first moved here and first started training at Fitness One, and I walked in with my training buddy. Just oh wow, god damn, dude, the clears look so sick.
The clears are dope.
And he goes, bro, you can't wear that shit at the gym. I'm like, what the f you talking about? He's like, your fucking shirt, dude, is talking about pussy. I'm like, that's Oregon State Beavers, dude.
Yeah.
Get out of here.
When I see that shirt, I just think of vagina.
Well, I mean, I do too. That's why I wear it, 'cause it's funny. Dude, this is sick. This is the polarized ones, huh?
Yeah.
Let's see here. Can we keep opening boxes? There's a lot. Let's save some. Man, that's a lot of Pitvipers. That's a lot of dope shit, dude. I'm so pumped. So jealous of that coat over there. Let me try that coat on.
Doesn't it say?
Let me see here. Let me see. Let me get a little taste of this, because man. Oh. Oh wait.
Yeah.
Yeah. The wedding pose, is that what?
Yeah.
Fucking gun there.
This fits pretty good, Trent. I think you're fucked. Damn, this is the dopest coat I've ever seen. Should I be the nice guy and let him have the coat? Or should I say, fuck that shit and keep this thing? It's pretty goddamn.
Ball's in your court, dog. Your name's on the box, not mine.
Fucking silk inside or something real grandma-like. It's really nice. What do I do in a scenario like this? Let's pop them out and see if I can get my hands on them. I'll think about this coat. I'll contemplate this coat on the tree of woe. Matt, what size gloves you wear? If I stretch them out. Really comfortable. That shit is rad. Feel that.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That grips.
Straight fucking gripper material. I need a fucking extra large.
Stretch out a little bit.
That's what she said.
Bing.
Pen 15?
Penis.
Holy shit.
That's definitely what that is.
Penis.
It says 69 Club or some shit on the back. Man, it's a cool coat. Sometimes it sucks just being a girthier gentleman.
Just being girthier, huh? Just full of girth.
Gloves don't fit. Man, this is a fucking nice coat. Ah, here you go, Trent. You can have it.
What?
Yeah, you'll enjoy it.
I'm gonna cherish it forever.
I'm keeping every one of these pairs of sunglasses for myself.
That's my trade.
You're like, shit. What's in here? What are those ones called?
The all-nighters is what
Oh,
they're
these
called.
are all nighters too. Safety glasses, I use the shit out of them.
Yeah.
They're dope for like night rides and stuff like that. Matt,
What's up?
come here.
Your time has come, Matthew.
Sent you a lot of stuff.
I know you've been looking forward to this.
Man, I might be cool now.
Would you like some pit vipers?
I wouldn't go that far. But...
Yeah, that's a hard decision.
Well, pick any one you want. $100.
All right, we'll go back to work.
I'm just kidding. Come on. I'm just.
Oh man, we gotta go with the red.
Yeah, take the whole case.
Oh yeah, these are sweet. Thanks, guys.
Welcome. Thanks, Pit Viper.
Hide your mom.
Hide your mom. It's Matt.
That's right.
My name's Matt, and I'm wearing Pit Vipers, and I'm into moms.
Dude, that is a dope jacket. You look like Dale Earnhardt.
I need my hair needs to fucking come back, dude. Like right now.
That's Dale Bernhardt, right?
Dale Bernhardt, dude.
That's Dale Bernhardt, Holmes. What are you talking about?
If you're wearing that thing, you gotta have a mullet.
That thing's.
I know, dude. I need to bring my hair back.
The inside of it is super dope.
Yeah.
It's like silky 69.
You kinda look fast, dude.
On the side.
Yeah, look at this penis.
You got one of these?
We got 2 of them. It's a little snug. A little snug in the arms. But I'm pretty stoked, dude.
It's alright, you're getting skinny right now.
I am. We're getting ripped. Me and Matt, we're gonna get ripped.
You look like Kanye West with those on.
I do feel like I look a lot like Kanye West, actually. I think that's it, man. Thank you, Pit Viper.
Yeah,
Remember, like I said, I'll put a link down below. You guys can get hooked up on any of this shit right here. It is super dope. It's like putting on a high definition television on your face. And you know, if you're just like hanging out in the right state of mind and you put a high definition television on your face, it's pretty amazing. Especially in Sedona when it's snowing. Yeah! Where the f*** am I at? Let's go to work.
Are these all fucking shades?